You still have that dream, the one you haven't told anyone about in years because you got tired explaining it to people who couldn't see it. But late at night, when everything is quiet, it's still there, unchanged, waiting. There's a version of your life that exists only in your head, fully formed, detailed, real enough to feel. And every day you wake up and choose between that version and the one you're actually living, the gap is where most of your sadness lives. Dreams don't die, they just get quieter when life gets louder. Turn the volume down on everything else for a second. Can you still hear yours? You gave up on something once and told yourself it was the mature things to do. But maturity and surrender are not the same thing. And deep down, you've always known that.